So you might be in a situation where every single time you go through and copy something from one application and paste it into another, it just tells you that, if you want to allow paste or not allow paste or whatever. I'll go and show you exactly how to fix this problem. Number one, you want to make your way over into your settings application. Then when you do that, you'll come into this type of page. What you then are going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically you scroll down all the way at the bottom, and you want to either click on the applications panel if you're on iOS 18, or you can click on the app name if you're on iOS 17 or below. And you want to go ahead and find the application that's giving you those problems. So go ahead and find the application that's giving it to you. I think sometimes it can be Google Maps or these other types of applications. And there could be a little option here where it says something like paste from other applications. If you see that, all you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and toggle it on or off depending on what you're exactly trying to do. So in this case, if we look at my personal device, right, if we go and look at this particular one, you can see right here I have a little pop-up at the bottom that says paste from other apps. All I'm going to want to do is tap on it, and I want to go ahead and basically have it as on, off, deny, whatever I want to do. So you can go through and specify it exactly whichever way you want to have it on, and that's exactly what you're going to have to do here. So that's essentially how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.